It goes on. Anyway, right. So yes, look, here's young Clive, and look how fast he is. Look how quick that's gone in there. That actually gone in and fitted.
That's the easy bit.
I thought that. Yeah, that's the easy bit. That one went in without a problem. Isn't that lovely? Factory original.
Factory original.
It didn't have a sticker on it, did it? I thought I had one that had a sticker on it. Or maybe that's in the other E-Type.
No sticker on it.
No, I just thought I had one. I think I had one I had one saying the E-Type centre I was going to put on it. Oh. Sure, I've got a sticker, like when I had back window stickers. But anyway, yeah, so that's the back one. Well, of course, I've got the camera sort of set up here because we weren't really, it's the front one that we're worried about. And what we'll have to say is that for the front one, we'll no doubt have to put you back on just to show you. But we've got all the chrome over there, all cleaned up ready. We got the rear quart windows, obviously, which are cleaned up, but they're not in because I've got the bolts missing. And I put the tailgate on, as you can see. And Clive, like Speedy Gonzales, dropped that window in there. Well, I turned my back for 30 seconds. And it's in. He's in like Flynn.
We've got a bit of a gap here, so I'm going to put some sealer.
We should now, should we?
I think we should put a bit of sealer on there. You don't want it leaking, do you?
I don't want it.
And it's like a...
Yeah, it's like that's it. Look at this.
It is a
classic.
Genuine rubber.
Is it?
But it's been used before, isn't it? So.
Yeah, I just can't believe...
recycling.
Yeah. That's what I mean.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Greta Thunberg, she'd be proud of us, wouldn't she? Yeah.
She would love that.
Yeah, we recycled that rubber. Yeah, we recycled rubber. So Greta, don't get all upset, but we recycled the rubber. So our next thing is make strange noises.
Yeah. Like a duck.
Yeah, like that. And then the next thing will be is he's going to get out his little tool and
bead tool.
And this is how you put them in. Look, this is it. This is a professional at work. And look at that. Don't you make that look bloody easy?
Little bit of wriggling.
Yeah, it's all about the wriggling, isn't it?
You've got to wriggle it and push it.
And loads of lubrication.
Yeah, plenty of that.
Yeah, like loads of lubrication.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, something's happening. We need a bit more. But yeah, loads of lubrication. And with the lubrication involved, it slides in like,
nice,
I mean, it's just absolute, like, you know, what was it? Poetry in motion. And then obviously there's a trick here to make sure it's long enough so it's long enough, or is it short enough so it doesn't shrink back. You got it, yeah, you got it there. But yeah, so all in all that shows how fast. That was it, could be done.
Money for old rope.
Yeah, money for old rope, yeah. Yeah, well now we're going to be doing the front one. Now the front
one's going to be a different...
The chromes of the front one is going to be slightly different, because the front one is going to be seriously scary. I'm not looking forward to the front. Yeah, the front one is the next one. It's going to be very difficult. And I think we can ascertain the front one that it's not going to be as simple as that, can't we?
No.
I think so. They're absolutely horrendous.
Shall I put the pros in the back first?
It's up to you. It's entirely up to you. If you want,
isn't it?
It's up to you. If it's easier to put me in when they're like that, or if you want to do the back one, and then I don't mind. It's entirely up to you.
I want a bit on.
What do you want? Well, the joiners are up there. Look, there's the joiners.
Right.
So, because I think there's two on the back, and one on and none on the front.
Yeah.
There you got it. He's taking right out of there. Look, see. But what a lovely job. I mean, when we get a great big handle, you're going to get one of those gate hinges put on there to lift it up and down with, you know. Like a big handle here, like that, you know, like there. Well, then chrome things screwed on, like there.
Yeah, lift it up.
Yeah, so well, they didn't do that, really, innit?
Right, we need to go and get a screwdriver a minute.
Yeah, he's going to get his chrome driver, and we're going to see how the chrome goes in. This is something that everyone sort of said is pretty difficult. And a lot of people have said that, you know, hey, this is a really difficult job. And the chrome is always difficult to fit, and it just doesn't fit, and they're always out of shape. And which they are, because obviously these are original chromes. We just cleaned some up, which we're going to go with. So, yeah, in the great scheme of things, we got original chromes and original, a used rubber. Yeah. Yes. So we won't mention too much of that, just in case he's watching. But
isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. There's the bottom one. And look at that. See, this is it now. This is how you do it. You sort of start at the very beginning. Very good place to start. And,
whether this rubber will hold it, because it...
oh.
I'm sure it will.
I have got a brand new back one up there, the front one, but it needs to be chopped. You'd have to cut it down, which I think would be more hassle than this one.
Well, this is a genuine
E-type.
rubber, isn't it? It's just
Yeah.
used before. It should be alright.
I don't quite remember. I thought you brought one round, and you said, I've got one there, I've just took one out, I'll leave it here.
Yeah.
But I don't know whether we used it in the other car.
That, I don't know, Ed.
Yeah, I don't know whether we might have to bend that, I don't know.
Put your hand on that finger.
Alright, my finger here.
Let's get the back bit machine first.
But there we go. Now, I know you're going to be really interested to see this, but my battery is quite low. And I want to get that front video. I want to get that front screen. So, you can see the basic idea behind how you do this. It's fiddly, it's nasty, and we recommend you don't buy an E-type. Is that what we say?
You recommend?
We recommend.
You don't give me a call.
Yeah, we recommend. Who are you going to call? No, yeah. Look, I think you like these things, don't you? You love a challenge. He likes an E-type.
I had a good challenge yesterday on DB6.
Did you? Yeah. What the front one?
Front and back.
Not the front, not the one that keeps breaking the screens.
No, it was
a saloon.
It was a big old job, really, because it's a nice car, and it took me a long time to get it right.
What, to get the
chromes in?
The chromes in.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you have done one before, haven't you?
I've done a few of them.
Yeah, you had the right chromes though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't have the chrome beading like I go for.
See, this rubber is a little bit...
Is he a bit
soft, a bit brittle where he's
been
in before, but he should be alright.
Well, I mean, obviously we're hoping. Oh, yeah, oh, sure. So do you think it's
like it's twisting over, isn't it? So it's bending, it's pulling out of this edge.
Yeah.
I might have to out and mess around with it. Just see
what
I'll do with this side as well.
We just want me to stay where I was holding.
Yeah. That bit there.
I mean, the other option is, as I said, is the other rubber.
Yeah.
I only found this one by chance because I said to you about super glue.
Yeah.
The reason I said was because we're going to make one. We've got a brand new one over there.
Yeah.
Which is like surplus to requirements. Because I can assure you, I'm not doing another E-type.
That's it. No more. No more E-types.
Well, less. Well, you know.
Ed, you're E-type Ed.
Yeah. Well, like I say, that was a previous life.
So he needs. I need to mess about with it. Look,
Should we have a look at the front? Let's look at the front. We'll come back to the back.
I need to.
We need to be messing.
Twist that round because it's tilting over.
Yeah, right. Well, let's have a look at the front because the front is the one that we're really worried about. The front is the one that we're really worried about, guys. So, what we're going to do is we're going to set you up on the tripod, and we're going to set you up so you can watch in real time just how much hassle this front screen is going to be. You can hear all the screaming, the crying, and all the yelling. And all the problems, because we are going to put the camera here somewhere. You lot will see the sheer horror of how long it takes.